nice slam mini truck. Guys, we had this one on the channel before. We've seen this, guys. This is a nice truck. We're gonna give it a good go round. Check out the graphics down the side of this. We'll check out the inside when we come around on the other side, guys. Got the roll pan, everything done up in the back. So nice, guys. Twisted intentions is what it says. Man, looks real good, real good. Clean. Look at the inside, guys. Look at the inside. Ooh, yeah, got the subwoofers right there in the console. Killing it in here, man, with the line. We digging this. Yeah, it's got LS in it, guys.
Nice, dude.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a GMC Sonoma.
Right on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny because I was telling him.
It's a nice one.
Me and his mom, she was pregnant with him, got in an accident in one of these, but it's the extended cab version.
Nice. I just sold mine last year.
I broke my back seat. My head went out the back window.
Oh,
The guy comes
man.
and says, "You okay?" And I grabbed the back of my head and it's covered in blood. I'm like, "Nah, that look like I'm all right, man."
Ooh, nasty. You guys enjoy your evening, man.
You, bro.
Yeah, definitely sick, guys. Definitely sick.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.